Hey YouTube, it's Faye, and for today's video, I'm here with this awesome 1993 Corvette, and it's got a dead battery, like a really dead battery, so I've got to remove it and actually place it on the charger. Like, it is unaccepting of any sort of charge with just my little ding ding charging device. So, time to take this baby out of here. You can see that it is right behind the front driver's side wheel, and it's sort of tucked in here, and we've got, looks like the engine control module here, and looks like, these need to be replaced, but looks like we got cruise control as well, I think. Yeah, so am I gonna take all this stuff out of the way to get to the battery? Well, I could, but I realized there was a much easier way to do that, so let me just show you. So in order to get to the battery, I'm gonna start by removing these two screws right here. There should be more. I only have two. And I'm going to do that with my T27 Torx bit. These also have slots. They're like meant to give some adjustment here to this panel. So set these aside somewhere. Smart. And now switching over to my 10mm socket, I've got a bolt right here that I'm going to remove. And then underneath the panel right about here is where I'm going to be using my 10mm wrench. There's a bolt right about there. You can feel. This is a plastic panel, so you want to be pretty gentle with it. Okay, and you can see there's that bolt right there that I was loosening. And right here you can see this slot here where it grabs onto, where this whole panel is just designed to pop right off and give access to our battery. And once you get this panel off here, you're going to want to disconnect the battery next, obviously. So the negative cable is right here in front of me. I already removed this piece. You're going to want to use your 8mm wrench for this. Actually, I don't even know what size this is because it's 8mm for me, but it's also totally rounded off. So I might have to fact check that. But you should have fittings like this. Be really gentle with them because they're soft and they strip really easily, and I don't know why they make batteries like this, but they do. So there should be one of these posts on both of your terminals. Okay, so here's my battery all disconnected, and it's sitting in its tray here, and you can see the lip that holds the battery down when the battery is pushed all the way forward. And then in the back here, you're gonna have another bolt that holds the battery tie down. And the battery tie down is a super simple design. I really like it. This piece here is the entire battery tie down, and this is not the factory bolt, so for me this is a 13 or a 1/2 inch, and it's just a bolt that goes all the way through, and there's a 13mm nut on the bottom as well, but obviously, like I said, this is not factory, so I'm not sure what size it's supposed to be. So once you get this little tie down piece out of the way, you should be able to just slide the battery out and put it on the charger or get a new one. And then obviously installing the new battery is the reverse of removal. So I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye!